Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want a free personal trainer that adapts to you. That is basically Garmin Coach. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually use Garmin Coach in Garmin Connect app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way and open the Garmin Connect app. So it's time now to tap on more or this three dot menu and go all the way to training and planning. So as you see here, we have races in the event, base pro pace and strategies, segments, Garmin trails. For example, you can even check the Garmin trails. You can go to segments here. You can even see the Strava, share your activities on the social network for athletes, get extra motivation with Strava live segments. You are basically having multiple options, courses here. So all you're gonna do now, for example, we are basically selection courses. We're gonna go to road cycling, create your own course or select an automatic one. It depends on you. You can basically access all of these options. So for you guys, you will be able to see this basically Garmin coach plans. Choose your discipline, run, bike, strength, fitness, whatsoever. Since it's all free, then set up your plan. Answer a few questions. What is your age? What is basically your current level? How many days per week can you train? Then pick a coach or let Garmin adapt your data. It depends on you. Then tap, set up the plan. Your calendar fills with daily suggested workouts like this. This is the whole calendar. You can see steps, activities, events, body battery, and all of these informations. And that's it. That's the main idea. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.